League night, everybody. Are you excited?
I just woke up from a 2-hour nap, so.
Yeah, just be as honest as possible.
Actually, I don't know, because every week League doesn't really go great.
Well, maybe that changes with blackout night. We're only throwing black balls. I have a lightning blackout. As you guys know, Lance does as well. We got a bunch of balls here. It's the lightning blackout I'm gonna bring. I don't know where the spare ball went. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we need to find Jana's black balls.
I don't really want to bring a sleeping bag.
I'll drag it. We also need to find food. What do you want to eat? McDonald's.
Asian food.
Asian food. Okay, you work on that, I'll work on the balls. This is a different kind of vlog. As you guys have probably seen, I've mentioned that things are changing on the channel. We're gonna do a vlog style league night. So if you guys enjoy this, let us know in the future. It's definitely gonna take a little more work on our end as we're bowling at the same time. And we don't have a camera crew. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do it for the algorithm, do it for us, do it for, why does it keep blurring, do it for Jana. So we decided we're gonna go to this place called 2C Roll Sushi. I guess you could make your own poke bowl or sushi. Never been there before. Show up to bowling way too late, but way earlier than Lance. So.
Perfect. And then can I just do avocado on top? Then $37.80 will be your total.
Yours looks kind of good.
Awesome. Maybe raw fish fans in the.
Well, I like raw fish. There's like so many vegetables. This ume. No. Oishi.
Oishi. Ume. How is it out of 10?
I would say it's a 10 out of 10. I just don't know how to eat it.
It's very tall.
How would you eat it?
In one bite.
Okay. I did what I could do, but Darren doesn't want to eat my last 2 pieces. I technically did eat 8 pieces.
She refuses to eat the ends because they look fun. So I always have to eat them. But I got a lot of food. I'm full, so we're just gonna go.
What should I bowl with?
The physics blackout or the lightning blackout?
Those are only 2?
Only 2. I have the same exact balls.
Oh.
We all have the physics, except she has the Vibo.
Okay.
You remember that ball?
No.
I bowled 300 with that ball.
Oh, you did?
Of course you don't remember. It's all about you.
All about me.
You.
You know what?
You. Yeah. You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Who needs practice? You do.
My teeth are just looking at it.
What is this, vlogging style? Like, different perspective.
I think Jana's gonna bowl good tonight.
I think she's gonna bowl good every night.
She hurt her leg. She threw a shot, so she's gonna be extra focused because she's only trying to help the pain.
Is she gonna do 2-handed or 1-handed? Uh-oh.
One-handed. Should Jana bowl 2-handed next week? Are we making the switch? Sorry to take you guys away from the video. Just wanted to thank the sponsor of this video, Golden Nugget Online Casino. No casino? No problem. Golden Nugget Online Casino brings the fun to you. Golden Nugget Online Casino has thousands of real money games that lets you level up your downtime from anywhere. Speaking of that something, Huff and More Puff just arrived. and is now at Golden Nugget. Here's how easy it is to jump in. Search the Golden Nugget online casino app and hit download. Open it up and scroll the games. There's everything from classic titles to exclusive games that you won't find anywhere else. Pick a game, press play, and just like that, you're in. Golden Nugget is safe, secure, and super reliable. You can play wherever and whenever you got time. New players use my code Darren, deposit just $5 and get 500 casino spins on Huff and More Puff and get 50 spins per day for 10 days. Again, use my code Darren and get 500 casino spins. If you're ready to bring the fun with you wherever you go, Golden Nugget Online Casino has your back. Check it out now, use my code, and don't forget to play responsibly. Back to the video.
Camera shot.
EFX.co, coupon code DATA at checkout for 10% off. Link in the description below. Who's gonna win this game?
You, of course.
No, not me. Between you two.
Oh, Lance has the same game.
Yeah, but if you throw a double, then he has to throw a double.
Well, that's if I throw a double.
It didn't play.
I didn't play or is it Oh, hey. You? What do you want to talk about? I'm just here, Mr. Rogers.
You gonna win this game or what? You gonna beat Jana?
Oh, no. You got to beat me this one.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna give you the business.
Oh, that sounds really dirty, Darren. You're so violent.
Trying to take me out.
I'd take you out. I took you out earlier.
202.
Oh, you're actually trying today.
I practiced this morning.
Oh,
It was a good practice. 202 for Jana, 213 for Lance, 255 for myself, and high game pot from Billy, maybe?
Maybe.
Yeah, Billy? Yeah?
Got some sticky hands.
What are you gonna do about it?
Keep them sticky.
What did we just witness?
Lance is putting chapstick on his thumb to make it less sticky. It worked. It worked.
We got a broth though,
Wait, don't show the brand though. It might sell out. It might sell out. Don't show the
No
brand.
free ads.
Don't tell nobody.
No free ads.
Don't show the brand.
Team, we just got a black and yellow frame. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Everybody threw a strike.
Don't want to get too much. Might slip out.
Smells like Vaseline.
Oh, don't worry about it. You know it's a good party when there's a baby around.
Ew.
Pause. No. Thank you. You need them all.
Hey, it's okay, he's gonna mess up anyways. Don't do that. Don't embarrass me like that. Why are you the first one? Boo to you. Get out of my face. No paparazzi.
Oh yeah.
Baby split. Baby split.
Baby, baby.
right, that's gonna do it. We only threw black balls tonight. Jan had 581, Lance had 649, I had 733. Pretty good last game. I'm not trying to. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for everything. Again, sorry for the changes. Life goes through different seasons, and right now we're going through a different season. We're entering a new season, so onward and upward. We're only gonna get better from here. See you next time.